Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform factory reset operation on your Motorola Signature smartphone using buttons, so basically through the recovery mode. Before we start this operation, I just want to make sure that you are aware that factory reset or the hard reset operation will erase all data stored locally on your smartphone, as well as it will reset all of your settings and preferences and everything else on your smartphone to factory defaults. So if you have some data that you need on your smartphone, first of all, you're gonna have to back it up if you can do that, of course. And when you're ready to begin this operation, first, you're gonna have to turn your device off by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time to open the power menu. But if your screen is unresponsive, if your touch screen is unresponsive, you can force shut down your device by holding down power button for about 10 seconds, and never mind the voice assistant when it appears on your screen. Just keep holding the power button until the screen of your device goes off. So I'm just gonna select power off in the power menu and then enter the password to confirm. Once the screen goes off, in order to enter recovery mode on the smartphone, we're gonna have to press and hold the power button and the volume down key at the same time, and just keep holding them until you see the Android with some logs beneath it. And now, using your volume keys, navigate to recovery mode option, and once you see recovery mode, press power button. In a couple of seconds you will see the Motorola logo, and once the Motorola logo disappears, we will see once again the Android with no command info. Now to go through this robot, we're gonna have to press and hold the power button and then shortly press the volume up key. This way we will open recovery mode on the screen. Now here we can navigate using volume up and down keys. So navigate to wipe data / factory reset. And once you selected this option, press power button, and then in the following menu select factory data reset, click OK. And once you see that data wipe is complete in the logs, select Reboot System Now and press power button to confirm. And then just wait until your device is restarted. Now make sure that it is either properly charged or connect the charging cable to your smartphone while you're doing it. And right now we just have to wait until the phone is restarted, and we'll be redirected to the start screen. Okay, and so right now the factory reset operation is finished. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.